What if your presence could open more doors than your resume ever could and leave a legacy long after you've walked away? Now, we live in a world where credentials, they impress, but composure, it converts. Where skill sets may start the conversation, but it's social grace that seals the deal. Etiquette, it isn't about being prim and proper. It's not about which fork you use or walking like you're on eggshells. It's presence in motion. It's elegance that breathes. It's showing up in a way that people, they feel respected even before you say a word. Now, professional protocol, that's not red tape, that is rhythm. That's a subtle choreography of high impact communication. It's the silent signal that says, you can trust me. I'm here to elevate, not dominate. Now, people, they forget resumes, they forget credentials, they forget titles, but they never forget the way you made them feel in your presence, the way you introduced yourself, the way you listened, the way you held eye contact and paused and responded with clarity and care. If you want real influence, you want doors to swing open before you speak, then walk in like you carry respect in every gesture. Speak like your words are wrapped in thoughtfulness and move through your day like grace is a power source, not a performance. That's what this morning rain is about. Not rehearsing perfection, but practicing power. Because etiquette, it's not extra, it's essential. It's your presence. That's your legacy in real time. So let's seal in today's message with the rain activation prompt. Where in your day could you carry more grace and groundedness? What would your highest, most polished self correct or elevate in how you're currently showing up? I want you to speak it out loud, write it down, then live it today. Because how you move through the world, it becomes the message you leave behind. Now, if this message stirred something in you, it's time to turn intention into elevation and join us inside the House of Bougie Built, our Facebook community where we go deeper with presence preview sessions and giving you a taste of refinement, confidence, and communication mastery that our members receive every week. Are you ready to command your day with poise, polish, and powerful influence? Explore our presence paths for adults and our legacy line for youth and families. These monthly memberships are designed to build lifelong habits of grace, presence, and personal power in every room you enter. So tap the link in the description and preview, participate, and power up your presence, because etiquette, it isn't just learned, it is lived, and legacy is built one graceful move at a time. I'll see you in a bit for our afternoon alignment. Now go rain.